Hola, mi amigos. Today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. So, right, Haley? But she says she's too scared. So, I'm going to do it myself. I don't know what I'm gonna put the camera. Oh shit! Oh, bro. I just have to go like this. Haley, can you hold it? Hold it for me. The hell, my hair looks green already, right? Doesn't it look green? Yeah. What the hell? Okay. It's not green, right? No. Oh my god. I guess the camera's glitching. Alright, so hold the camera for me. Over here, put it over here. Hey, not that close. See that? Alright, I'm good. We're gonna just open this up. We just got it open. We're gonna start dyeing. Report Zach! We have a mission today. Ouch! We have a report today. Somebody stole the marker and we dyed her hair. But actually, I don't know which pencil this belongs to somebody. We need to get it back tomorrow. Dye her hair quickly. We need to get it back to somebody again. Yeah, I'm putting it on. My shoe goes like this. Alright, you ready? We're gonna have to go, guys.